So we're on board Sky Princess, ready to cruise. This time we're cruising with James's family for his nephew's 18th birthday.
Hotel is ready. One for you.
After getting a photo with Stanley, we grabbed some cocktails and headed to our room. We prefer a balcony as we love looking out to sea. We then headed to the buffet for some lunch before sail away. Sail Away was brought indoors because of the rain in Southampton, but we still had a great time. After that, we enjoyed dinner before wrapping up the night with a silent disco. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for the full video.